Hi there, this is Gabriela. Let's talk about one of the common questions: how many campaigns I can run at the same time. Okay, with Money Robot, you have no limit for the number of campaigns or for the domains, the websites, different domains you are using too. If you are someone who is giving backlinks to different clients, you have no issue with Money Robot because you can handle any number of domain or website domain. Okay, it's exactly the same with the number of campaign. It's no limit. The limit is gonna be about the your computer or BPS, how powerful is. In this case, usually what we recommend is doing no more than 10 and 2 or 3 if you want to finish quickly. What I really think is the best is to run 4 when you are creating new account and up to 12 if you are reusing accounts. I mean, if you are using existing accounts, you have no issue. You can create and run at the same time 12, 14 with no issue. Remember, also it's going to depend on how many, which is the diagram you are using, or how many threads are you using to, how fast it's gonna be. In this case, I usually use around 24 threads and around 12, 14. If I'm creating new accounts, I usually do 4, no more 4 or 5. So no more than that because it's gonna take a long. Also, usually what I do is create an account with a smaller diagram like 1, 3, 2, 12. Okay, this is really powerful and quick. That's one of the main reasons I use this one. Okay, also remember, for one license you can run Money Robot in 2 machines, to PC, to laptop, to BPS. Okay, I hope this helped you guys. If you have any question, leave it on the comment area. Until the next one.